Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on your VIVO X300 FE. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and check the volume during a call using side buttons on the right side. We're going to press and hold them, and as you guys can see, we can increase the volume right here. Of course, we can increase other volumes, but we are interested in media volume on the home screen. And when we open up our phone app here, we can also check if we can change the call volume. Sometimes it is possible, and sometimes you have to change it while being on a call. So let's go over into the settings, and here in the settings, go to sounds and vibration. Now, as you guys can see, you cannot change the call volume in the settings, so it is only possible on the call. So you have to call up somebody and then change the volume up. What are we going to do next is we're going to turn the Bluetooth off. So we want to make sure that Bluetooth is disconnected, because the phone may connect to other devices like headphones, car, and etc. So we want to make sure that it does not happen. So if your Bluetooth is like this, you see the available devices and you see the device name, sorry, not the device name, but the, let's say, devices names right here. You can simply tap it off, and now the device name should be grayed out. It shouldn't be possible to change, and now the Bluetooth is disabled. So what are we going to do next is we're going to clean the earpiece. Earpiece is right here where a little bit of a cutout is, so right at the top here. We want to make sure that we clean it with a soft brush. You can get a pretty good set from, let's say, AliExpress. Let me quickly show you what set do I have. So I got this set right here. As you guys can see, we can open it, and here we have a soft brush. So we're gonna use a soft brush, and of course now let's go over and brush our earpiece. So we should not try and get in there, but we should just make some smooth moves. Now you can just get rid of everything, and you can try and clean it from every single side possible. And after you're done, what you can do is simply go over and restart the phone by pressing the power button and the volume up button. Now you will see this menu, and we're gonna swipe it to restart. Now the phone is restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now after the restart, what are we going to do is we're going to reset network settings. So we're going to go over and open up the settings app. Now we're going to scroll a bit down until we see system management. Here you click on reset and click on reset network settings. Here you can also remove the eSIM card, but I wouldn't recommend it. Now we're going to click on reset and click reset. As you guys can see, that's basically it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.